Hey everyone, we are here in Orlando, Florida at the premiere show, Licensed to Create Awards. So excited. We're going to meet some of the presenters and nominees. Stay tuned. It's the best night ever. We're here at the Licensed to Create Awards, and who's behind me? We've got the whole CosmoProf artistic team.
Hey guys, my name is Philip Ring, also known as Phil Does Hair. On the team, I teach creative color with all of these guys, and I'm so excited to be presenting alongside with Jake and Larissa the student color category.
I'm Christina Kreidel. I'm also on the artistic team. I'm so pumped to present the award for natural hair with Sonya Dove today.
Lala Chihaya here, CosmoProf artistic team member. Super nervous but excited to present the Updo Award tonight with Martin Parson.
Hey, it's Keon the Barber. Keon Washington, but Keon the Barber better, and I'm here to present the best hair tattoo, the award for best hair tattoo in the category.
Hi everyone, Olivia at OMG Artistry, CosmoProf artistic team member. I am co-hosting the show with Kim Vo, and we're also presenting Best Platinum.
I'm Leysa Carrillo, known by Leysa Hair and Makeup, and I'm presenting with Sam Vila. Ah! Mi gente latina!
My name's Jacob Kahn. I'm on the artistic team as well. I'll be presenting Best Student Color with Phil and Larissa. And I can't say how proud of my whole team, proud of CosmoProf, and proud of everyone here to honor all the nominees and to uplift our industry like we've been doing. It means so much to me, and I'm so excited.
You know what? It's so awesome to be a hairdresser, and just where the industry is and where we're going and what we're doing and how we're trying to upgrade. The License to Create is an evening that is going to be spectacular, and I'm absolutely happy to be part of it.
You know, yours was the first barbershop I ever went into, really, and spent time in there, and it was just the coolest vibe. People were there just hanging out, having so much fun. Is that the secret to your success?
The key to men's barbershops is you want to make it comfortable. If people like comfortable spaces, and men like to be in a space where men can be men. Don't get me wrong, you got to gravitate to everyone that comes in that door, but men like to come in there. We're their psychiatrists, not just their barbers.
Talk about trend for a minute. Trend for 2018. What are you guys seeing?
I'm still seeing a lot of different creative color techniques, marbleizing, just different expressions. I'm seeing it a little bit more, a little on the commercial side though. You know, something that's easy to be able to sell behind the chair and versatile, convertible colors.
Yeah, I think definitely simplicity is something people are looking for right now, making it easy and salon friendly. But then I think an interesting tone thing that's been coming up is kind of this nude flesh tone. I've been having a lot of blonde guests and people wanting this almost nude color. So it's kind of the new rose gold, I feel like.
So you know what, we're going to talk about your hair also. So what's going on here? This is adorable.
So this is actually from Pink Pewter. Mariah, she actually let me have some of these bobby pins, and then we did kind of a vintage wave. So it was a little bit of a mixed metallic modern twist on hair and accessories.
All right, you're just the best. Show us your nails because yours are pretty amazing.
So these are marble nails. This is done Posh by Na, is her Instagram handle. She actually did this with all acrylic. It's not just a stick-on. Is that insane?
What does License to Create mean to you?
License to Create is the ability 100% to go free for all. It's the ability to be you and 100% to believe in you and nobody else. It's like when Santa Claus, you believed in him your entire life, and then all of a sudden he shows up. That's License to Create. You can believe in you 100% and be what you want.
You and I once had a big conversation about sparkles.
Yes, it's all about sparkles. It's about life and being sparkle and being really rejuvenated and having those moments in life that you feel like you should sparkle, shine, and be, I don't know, just, life is so dull. It's so ordinary, and to sparkle sometimes is what you need to keep going on. And that's what it's all about.
What does it mean to you?
Being licensed to create means that I have an education, and it goes so much beyond cosmetology school. They teach you how to pass the state board exam, but they don't teach you how to do amazing hair, and that's what trade shows are all about, is extending your education, learning about product knowledge, and then getting to network at events like this with License to Create. So that's what being Licensed to Create means to me, and I'm so excited to be here. I'm so excited to be a part of it.
Tell us what License to Create means to you.
Well, it means everything. It means that what nail professionals and beauty stylists and hairdressers do is they change lives. They transform how women and men feel about themselves. So to celebrate such a beautiful profession and to celebrate each other, I mean, we're all here, we're one community, and together we can really raise the bar and go new places together.
Tell us what license to create means to you.
We really have this license to be creative in a world. It's bigger than hair. It's a license to make people feel good. It's a license to share our passion with others. It's a license to be the best you can be on this earth and share it with others. Don't keep it inside, bring it to the outside.
What does license to create mean to you?
Oh my gosh, I mean, it means so many things. We have a moral responsibility for hairdressers to teach them to raise the bar and to be ethical and to be dignified and to be graceful and to do really good work. And I really feel like as an educator and as a mentor, it's my moral responsibility to share my gifts and my passion for this industry and continue to raise the bar for women.
What does license to create mean to you?
It means to be authentic. It means to be able to be yourself and to be able to make people feel and look beautiful. And it makes you feel good inside too, you know? So I can go on and on with what it means, but really in general, I just love the fact that it allows us to be authentic and to kind of create whatever it is that we want on other people and on ourselves.
We're here with Linnell Lynch, and we're talking about getting your dream job. Tell us how that is fitting into the whole Beauty Changes Lives Foundation.
Thank you. Well, we know that this is a dream job, and we also know that we have to make this career a first choice. We found a Reuters study years ago that said only 14% of Americans have a dream job. Everyone works for a paycheck, and we in this industry love our jobs, so why not celebrate that? Actually, the Ratner Group was the first one to jump behind this, and in 950 locations, they are actually putting the Get Your Dream Job collateral out there. So in essence, it's to ask every professional every day to share with their guests why they love their job. Because the hidden secret is many people would love to be part of this industry, but they've never had the courage or confidence to enroll in beauty school because most people have never seen this as a first choice. They've always seen it as a second choice, a third choice, etc. So we're trying to engage the entire professional community to share with their guests why they love their job and elevate this perception so that people do decide to join. Because again, we cannot judge anyone. There's many people who would love to be in this industry but have never had the courage.